Good afternoon, this is Ronney once again reporting from the Chicago Lakefront on a ridiculously snowy day when just yesterday it was 70 degrees outside. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is now snowing. I say again, it is now snowing and 32 degrees. We're gonna take you live right now at 39th Street Beach and show you what we're working with. I am not also the only crazy person out here. There are people fishing, and we will go live right now. All right, folks, here we are. The wind is blowing in. I'm gonna say this is southeast direction here. We got the snow blowing in. We can see the cloud cover here. The birds are flying, and there are even ducks, let's see, out here on the water. Now, right over here, folks, you can see I am not the only nut. We have people out fishing right now, so I'm not the only crazy one out here today. We're gonna take a brief walk out here onto the jetty just to give you a flavor of how exciting the lake is. Oh wow, look at that right there. We got how tumultuous the lake is. Oh, that was a good one. Showing out for us. We're gonna go wide. You can see the water coming over the side there off the jetty. Never a dull moment here, folks, in Chicago. We go from 70 all the way back down to 30. My brother sent me some footage this morning, and it was snow sticking. I say snow was sticking. You can see those flakes in the air. So thank you for watching. We'll get another big splash here for you. Oh, there we go. Look at that one there. Mind the gap, folks, mind the gap. You don't want to fall in the gap, mind the gap. But look at the spray as it falls over. There you go. So once again, this is Ronney reporting live from the 39th Street Beach Lakefront, where the snow is blowing in. Oh, come on, car.